Hi guys, just checking in. I'm just putting some diffuser. I just wanted to let you know I have this diffuser from Us and Earth and it has been so good. I've loved it. I was on the hunt for a diffuser that was not super plasticky. I don't know. I just couldn't find any that I liked. And I was hunting and I was prepared to, spend whatever, get everything just to get one that I liked. Anyway, finally found this beautiful ceramic one, or stone, one of the two, and I love it. So nice. When I got it, my sister actually messaged and said, "Oh, it looks exactly the same as the one she got about 12 years ago from a little boutique." And she said she still uses it every day, and it's lasted her